Pavement cores are primarily obtained to determine the bulk density and thickness of the pavement, ensuring that the construction meets specifications. By testing these cores in a lab, a benchmark is established to calibrate field tests like the nuclear density gauge or electromagnetic devices to confirm the accuracy of field measurements. While these devices are beneficial for quality control during construction, acceptance is based on core testing. Extracting pavement cores can reveal hidden issues like vertical mix segregation. Analyzing the cores helps assess asphalt content, gradation, and density to better address segregation. Here's the process for collecting cores. Before going to the site, determine the appropriate frequency of core samples according to the specifications. Cores may have different diameters based on the test. Refer to the specs to know which size to collect. Next, randomly generate locations for sampling station and offsets for the mat and joints within each sublot. Use a core drill with a diamond bit to collect the pavement cores. Use sufficient water to cool the bit and flush cuttings away from the core hole. Contractors can use water, dry ice, liquid nitrogen, or other materials to cool a warm asphalt mat. This expedites the coring process, which minimizes sample edge damage. Once a full-depth core is cut, remove it from the hole with a core lifter to protect the core. If a core is damaged during extraction, take a new core near the previous core's location. It's critical to properly refill and recompact core holes after sampling. Document all samples with the project number, date, material type, station number, location including lot and sublot number, and whether the core is from a mat or joint. Use a semi-permanent marker, keel, lumber crayon, or paint pen to write the information on the sample. Carefully transport samples according to the project's quality control plan. Once at the lab, pavement cores are cut into separate asphalt layers using a diamond-tipped machine saw for detailed analysis. For more information on coring methods, refer to ASTM D5361 or AASHTO R67.